This next question is about cleaning a GPU. Now, a GPU is a graphics processing unit, and it's basically the brains of the video card. A word of warning, though, if you're doing this, it will void the warranty on your video card. So be warned. Okay, the first thing you need to do is remove any excess dust. You can use an air compressor. I have one of those small air compressors, or canned air is fine. You can blow off any dust on the fan, on the cooler, on the fins of the heatsink, that type of thing. Remove all the dust. Then you'll need to remove possibly the plastic portion of the cooler first, and then the heatsink portion. That varies, of course, depending upon the video card's cooler. But once you have all that removed, well, all you have is the printed circuit board, and you will see the GPU there with the thermal paste or thermal compound on it. You will need to remove that. Now, you can get thermal compound remover, but you can just use isopropyl alcohol, and a microfiber cloth will be fine. Just do it very carefully. Once all that is removed, apply new thermal compound, and then, of course, install the cooler again. But remember, before doing this, you could damage the video card, so be very, very careful. And in doing so, it might not lower the temperature of the GPU. And while you have the cooler off, you might as well, remove all of the thermal compound on the memory as well. And sometimes, depending on the video card, the heatsink is on the memory, sometimes it isn't. But if it is, you need to take it off. And sometimes also the memory is on the front and the back of the card, so be aware of that. You might need to clean all of the memory on the front and the back of the card. Again, this is going to depend on the video card and the cooler and so on and so forth. But if you have it off, you might as well do the GPU and the memory, so you could possibly get a better overclock, better temperatures on the GPU. Plus, you'll get and be able to maybe overclock the memory a little higher as well. So that's what I would do when cleaning a GPU. But again, please be very careful.